In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a roller on Canva project to help your project to going next level. So I can open a design. So this is example only. Just click on here, then just click on file option. When you click on file option, just click here, then again click on setting, then show roller and guides. So you can see here are position, everything you can filter out, then it's help to design your project. Wow, this is really nice. So again click on file, then setting, then if you add guides, just click on wow, then custom, add guides, everything you are able to add here. So again, if you want to delete this guide on, just click on file option, then setting, then again clear guides. Wow, this is clear. Again click on here, then setting, then if you want to add more option, show margin, show print blade, video playback quality, everything are here are editable. Wow, this is really good. So if you want more videos type of, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.